For those of you who don't know me, I'm Brian Steele. I'm the Executive Vice President of the Fraternal Order Police. To my right is Vice President Brian Toth. To my left is Board Member Pete Casuccio. Normally I would not be in a uniform, but I was on duty when this happened and responded to it. Echo the Chief's sentiments. Thank you to Grant. Thank you to responding officers. We're not going to speak about the case. We're just going to show you here we are once again demonstrating the dangers our officers face. I was at the hospital with my brothers as we stood outside the OR, and we have one of our brothers literally fighting for his life. Massive blood loss. That individual, our officer, our FOP brother, he woke up today. He kissed his family, he kissed his wife and kids goodbye, and now he's shot. He did a fantastic job. He's absolutely a warrior. Despite being shot, he did his duty and he fired back. That guy laying dead on the freeway, that was an occupational hazard. You rob a bank, you run from the police, you shoot us, we will shoot you back. The two individuals in the neighborhood right now, this is what I would tell your viewers. There are two wolves right now in this neighborhood. And after this, we're going to leave and we are going to find them and we're going to bring them to justice. I hope they come peacefully. If they decide a different route, that is on them. We will always react to their actions.
Brian, what can you tell
On
me?
July 6, 2023, at about 4 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a call of a bank robbery and a pursuit involving 3 armed suspects. The suspects opened fire on the officers, striking one several times. The officer and his partner returned fire, killing one of the suspects. The officer who was shot was transported to Grant Medical Center by his partner and arrived in critical condition. After surgery, the officer's condition was upgraded to stable. His injuries are severe. He remains in the hospital and has a long road ahead. Please pray for him and his family. The previous version of this video had a picture of the officer and his young family. The picture was taken from this fundraiser page. The officer and his family have since decided to take that picture down and have asked for privacy during this difficult time. Respecting the family's wishes, I removed the first video and am uploading this one instead. I'll provide a link to this fundraiser in the comment section below for anyone who would like to support this officer and his family.